In this video, you will learn 3 great Bachata Sensual moves that you can dance while dancing a Bachata Body Wave. So, let's go!
No seré yo por tercera vez, de nuevo el que entregue más. Me vuelvo promiscuo, algo arisco. No quiero nada serio en realidad. De lo que decimos, si sufrimos, por miedo a que nos dañen una vez más. Valiente será.
So we're gonna do a dip after a body wave. So in this case, we wanna do a body wave and we want to sit down at the end. For this, guys, we are in the closed position. Make sure to have very good frame and elbow connection. We do a basic and we prepare in 7/8. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, prepare the body wave. So look how the preparation is me bringing the follower a little bit to the back. Because the body wave is gonna start going up and to the front of the follower, so to our back, we need to prepare in the opposite direction. From here, there's 2 ways to lead this body wave. Right now, we're showing you only once, and it is the leaders. We're gonna do a step backwards, and we're gonna breathe in. So we go in 1. From here, we're gonna start shifting the energy diagonally down, which will cause the follower to do a body wave, and we will sit down with her with a pinch, with a pinza. So we go in 2, 3, and 4. So look how my legs are doing this pinch.
Yes, the follower. We have to be very attentive in the moment when the leader wants to prepare the movement, that we also open our frame together with him and we actually go a little bit backwards and that we don't lose the connection and stay in front of him. Like he's there and we're here. Okay, really look for the contact in your back. Then we do our back forward when he goes back. So we go like, we do a very small step, so it's not, we don't want to walk, so it's a small step. And now, when you do the body wave, be very careful that you actually do your whole body wave and you don't think of up and down. So really still do the process of the whole body wave, even if he doesn't do it together with you. He gave you the impulse, so you can do it by yourself. And the last thing, you need to be careful that you don't stop your body wave here sitting, but you still do your pendulum a little bit with the hips and you go up, so you have a really clean and nice finished body wave.
So let's continue. We are here in 7/8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to start leading a reverse body wave, and this is we start with the hips. So we're not bringing our hands to her hips, but with our pinch, with our pinza, we're going to start pulling the hips and the legs up. So we go 5, 6, and make sure, guys, that you are here rotated outwards so that there is no contact over here. We are not like here and we come here. We are a little bit rotated to the outside, and also the upper body still hasn't moved. It was only the legs and the hips. So from here we are in 5, 6. Now that we are blocking her hips, we brought her upwards, it's time for us to lead the dip. So now we can open our frame and let the upper body fall forwards, and the chest is opening, the neck is also opening, and everything is looking through the roof.
We still are in the process of the whole body wave. The movement is the same, we just do it a lot bigger now. So we are here, we push our hips forward, then we are here weird, and then when he opens the frame to our back, this is the moment when we push the movement up into our chest and the whole way until to our head.
So let's show it counting from this point of view. We go in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, prepare and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. And now from this, in 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3.
We have exciting news before we continue with our video.
Yes, guys, we are starting a new email newsletter and we want to give you exclusive access. In this newsletter, we will be sharing tips and tricks that will help you improve your Bachata Sensual dance, and we will also give you exclusive prices and discounts to our online programs.
Yes, you'll get behind-the-scenes access into our world as Bachata Sensual teachers and creators and so much more. To sign up for this newsletter, click the first link here below. But now let's continue with the video.
Me he dado cuenta que abandoné mi ganas de amar. No seré yo por tercera vez, de nuevo el que entregue más. Me vuelvo promiscuo, algo arisco. No quiero nada serio en realidad. De lo que decimos, si sufrimos, por miedo a que nos dañen una vez más. Valiente ser.
All right, right, guys, so we are leading a lean in while we are doing our body wave. So we are in the closed position. We prepare our body waves in 7-8. We go 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, prepare, tap. So we prepare by bringing her a little bit back. Now we start doing continuous body waves. So leader, we are shifting our weight to the back and to the front. We are going a little bit up and a little bit down, but we are keeping the energy continuous. So here we go in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stop. And now, when we want to do the lean in, we continue doing like our third body wave, or the fifth, or the seventh, or the fourth, whatever you want, in this case the third one. And we go in 1, 2. Notice how I didn't change my weight completely, because what I wanted now was to have the hip connection. And from here, when I have the hip connection and her chest is open, and she wants to go back, I don't let her finish the body wave, but I block here the move, I stop it with this hip connection. Now I shift my weight to the back in 3, 4. And now I'm in the lean in position.
So, follower, when we do the body waves and we are here in the flow, and then we realize that he stops doing his weight transfer and he offers us the hip for connection, this is the moment when we also look for the connection in the hips. Very important is that when we are here in the body wave and he offers the connection, that we don't just stop and we don't want to look for the connection and then later we fall on him. Don't do that. Just look directly for this connection, and then you can go together into the lean in, and you don't need to wait or something.
So let's continue. We are here in 7-8. We go with the body waves. We go in 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. To go out, we push the hips, leader. So we push in 5, but we don't transfer the weight. We don't go from here and we go 5. Because we need to let her have space for her upper body to fall. So it's a push and stay on the back. So we push, stay on the back. Now she has space to fall with the upper body and continue the movement. We come down a little bit if we need to. And now we give her the support to go up. We change the weight and we tap.
So, follower, when we are in the lean in, we are here, and he gives us the impulse with the hip. You need to know it's always a hip movement. So, we don't go down with our upper body when he gives the impulse. Don't do this. We don't want to go down. Try to look up as long as possible so you really have a nice and straight back and you don't already close everything here. So, we go here. And we are very straight with the back. We look up, we still have our frame. And now when we go back, so we want to go up, we start the movement again with the hips. So the hips are like this now. And you want them to go into the straight position. So we start rolling our back from here. And the last thing is the head that comes up.
Let's do it counting in 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. From this point of view, in 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3.
Mi gana de amar. No seré yo por tercera vez, de nuevo el que entregue más. Me vuelvo promiscuo, algo arisco. No quiero nada serio en realidad. De lo que decimos, si sufrimos, por miedo a que nos dañen una vez más. Valiente será.
We will be doing, after our body wave, a reverse body wave and a fall forward. So we are in the closed position with our good friend. We prepare our body wave in 7-8. So we go 1, 2, 3, tap, prepare in 7-8. We are going to do our body wave, again shifting the weight, going up and down. So breathe in and we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now guys, we're going to start with our weight in the middle a little bit. So we are not pinching her or anything. We are doing our nice dance pose with a nice opening of our legs. And we give her the instructions to sit down. So we go in 1, 2, sit down. From here, we bring our hand to her lower back, okay? Now, we lead a reverse body wave and we're going to transfer our weight to the back. So we go in 5, 6, Now it's the point where we say, okay, let's continue the movement and go into the fall forward. So we go even more with our transfer weight to the back and we lead her more diagonally up with the upper body. And now we make her go down and fall forward. Here, pam, 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 pam. We bring her down, we flex our knees, and now we bring her again up.
Okay, follower. So we sit here. Now we go again up with our hips a little bit into the pendulum and we push our hips forward and we have a weight transfer to the right leg. So we are up now. Really open your chest to the roof and make yourself big and open. And now when he wants us to go down, we have to shift the weight again to our back. Otherwise, we will walk forward and we don't want that. So from here, the hips push back and we shift the weight to the left side. If you like, you can even go a little bit into the knees and push yourself out from here and come up.
So let's do it with counting in 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go in 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2 from this point of view. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and also let us know down below if you have any questions. Make sure to check out these other videos that you're going to love. See you there and keep practicing.